Now for number 3, given that 871 times 96 is 83616, so 83,616, how much is 871 thousandths times 960? So a couple ways we can do this. We know that this will have to have the same exact numbers in the answer. The difference is going to be maybe a decimal point and zeros. So we could take a look and see what they did with the decimal points. So we're going to, in the first problem here, put in our decimal points. The first one would go after the whole numbers. So we'd also have a decimal point after that whole number. So then we would see how much we changed it. So this started out, so we went 3 places right. And then here, from after the 6, we went 1 place left. So if we went 3 places left, and then back 1 place right, then we've actually moved a total of 2 spaces to the left. So we can take this right here, if we wanted to. We could move it 3 places left and 1 place back to the right, and our decimal point is going to go right there. So we have 836 and 1600ths. Now, one thing we could do to check it is we could actually look over here at our problem. At our original problem, if we rounded this, this would be about 1. And then take this here. This would be, we can just take this and just think of it as 960, because anything times 1 is itself. So 1 times 960 would be 960, and 836 is the only place we can put a decimal point here that's anywhere close to 960. The other thing we can actually do is take our actual problem that they've given us, which is 0.871 times 960. We can multiply, then count. So first of all, we multiply just ignoring the decimal point completely. We just do 871 times 960. So we're going to have 0 and 0 and 0. And then our placeholder, 6 times 1, 6, 6 times 7, 42, carry a 4. 6 times 8 is 48, and 48 plus 4 is 52. And then we're going to go ahead, put 2 placeholders now. We're up to our 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 7 is 63, carry a 6. 9 times 8 is 72, so that would be 78. So when we add this, 0, 6, that gives us 11, 6, and 5 and 8 are 13, carry a 1, 8. So we get 836160, so we can see that, 83616. And then we're going to count. Now remember, our decimal point originally was right there. We had a 0 and a decimal point that we took out. So we're going to multiply and count. So here we can see we have 1, 2, 3 places after this decimal point. This doesn't have any places after it for the 960. So we just have a total of 3 places. And if we have 3 places there, we must also have 3 places in our answer, which would be 1, 2, 3. So that would mean our decimal point would go right there, 836 and 160 thousandths, and we can actually get rid of that trailing 0 and get 836 and 1600ths.